Hello everyone, welcome to Crash Chronicles, where we showcase 55 incredible moments on the road that you won't believe. Turn on the best sound for the ultimate viewing experience. Let's go! It seems that the Toyota suddenly lost control and hit the cars on the side of the road. As a result, 4 cars were damaged, but everything else was fine. Which car do you think was at fault in this collision? Intersections are places where accidents often happen, so be careful when passing through them. A drunk man drove into a car that was stopped on the side of the road. His car flipped over. The man seemed to be fine. He opened the car door and started running away after causing trouble. It seems that the car accelerated to try to run through the traffic light, but unfortunately collided with another car. The stupid driver in the white pickup truck ran a red light at full speed and collided head-on with a car. What happened to that car? Man trying to flee after causing a collision at an intersection in Texas. Rear-end collision on the freeway of unknown cause. Both cars are damaged. Luckily, the people in the car are okay.
What the is that?
It all happened so fast. The idiot in the car ran a red light and cut in front of the car, causing the collision. This car was involved in a police chase. The driver was trying to speed up to lose the police cars behind. This caused the car to lose control and crash. I'm not sure what happened to the two cars in front that caused the rear-end collision. However, both cars were damaged. Do you know what happened to that car? The idiot in the car lost focus while driving and crashed straight into the back of the car in front, causing the car to break into pieces. The driver of the red Honda will be held responsible for this collision because he did not yield to the car going straight.
What the
The Van Pool intentionally made an illegal U-turn and did not look, causing a collision with another car. The car in front suddenly stopped in the middle of the road, causing the pickup truck driver to not have time to react and crashed into the back of the car. Which car do you think is at fault in this case? The white car intentionally ran a red light and caused a collision. I think the driver will have to pay a large amount of insurance. The bad driver in the black car ran away after colliding with the car in the same direction. Thanks for watching this episode of Idiots in Cars. Which moment shocked you the most? Have you ever witnessed something similar? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe on the road.